Hey, it's Joe again. I'm in Denver today, making another video of this car. I wasn't thrilled with the one that I did the other day, so I thought I'd come and do another one. This is a Gentian Blue 2022 Carrera Ford GTS. This car has belonged to two very good friends and clients of mine, and it's only available again because the current owner, you like that plate? The current owner has a very special car coming. He was able to secure an allocation of a very special replacement car to this. This car would be really hard to give up, but the other one's even cooler. So 2022, nice build, 168.9, I think. It's almost 169 MSRP, has the inno drive, black wheels. The car is almost entirely covered in PPF, the whole front, the doors, the rockers, the rear bumper cover, the roof up to here. So this section here is not covered. So this here, but I think, yep, the line starts right here for the lower portion. Of course, Gentian Blue. What else can I tell you? Very nice build. It's got the chalk stitching, 18 ways. Of course, in a GTS, a lot of times you see the Alcantara or Racetex interior. The gentleman who's a client of mine who ordered this new said he wanted the ventilated seats. So you have to do the leather with a perforated leather. So this car does have heated and ventilated seats. It has Bose, of course, the full leather, not the plastic cheapy dash that you see on some of these. And it does have front axle lift. That's a really nice thing to have because the GTSs sit just a little bit lower than the regular Carrera S's. Not much else to, oh, I know what else I wanted to mention. The car is going to be certainly the best priced low mileage GTS in the country, partially because I always try to be super competitive, partially because it does have a minor on the Carfax. The rear bumper cover, while he was stopped on the street, was rear-ended by another, we'll call it an inattentive person. It did damage the rear bumper cover, and it contacted, of course, this is the farthest back, it contacted the muffler tips and pushed those forward. So anything that was affected was totally replaced. The rear bumper cover was replaced, repainted, refinished by Apex Auto Body. My friend Dave Imes runs that. The paintwork is flawless. You cannot see any sense whatsoever that it's been painted. And of course, you can't paint meter the bumper cover. So I'm sharing it. If you were to look at it, there's no way you would ever know that anything had happened to the car. Let's look inside. Of course, here's our GTS script, 18-way seats. Of course, front axle lift, sport exhaust, which is standard on a GTS. It's got the glass sunroof. Let's see if we can show that. There we go. So it's got the glass sunroof, not the solid one. That's kind of cool. It's got crests in the headrest. It's got the all-weather mats. It's got, of course, navigation. It's got, I think it's the inner drive. I saw the lens up there for the adaptive cruise. And look at this. Mileage, 5,118 miles. Oh, I know what else. This car still has the remainder of 5 years prepaid maintenance. I think the first two have been done. So 3, 4, and 5, if 3 hasn't been done, are still going to be paid for. 3, as you know, is the expensive one where they do spark plugs. That's all included with the price of this car. So you have any questions, if you'd like to see the build sheet, if you'd like to see the Carfax, if you would like to see the pictures of the bumper cover when it was hit on the street, I'd be happy to share that. Thank you very much for watching, and look forward to speaking to you. This is Joe at 720-382-6167.